Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Annie's Kit Club. So Annie's is a craft subscription. Actually, I should say subscriptions. They have over 12, 13, maybe 15 plus different craft subscriptions. And I usually open the Creative Woman of the Month Club where you get a different craft every single month. Sometimes they send me a different variety, so we'll see. I haven't opened it yet. So I will leave my code down below that works for all of the Annie's Kids subscription plans for 50% off. So yeah, it's KB50, KB in caps. I will link them down below along with that code. But the crafts are in the kits every month are $19.99, so you get 50% off that. And it's just so fun. Lately, like the older I get, the more I enjoy like experiences more than things. So in these subscriptions, you get experiences and then you get to keep the things. So I just have loved it. I've been getting crafty. I wouldn't say I'm like super crafty or good at crafts, but I'm enjoying it. I'm loving that. And it's like a nice outlet and soothing at nighttime. So I made something recently. I should show you guys. Maybe I'll take a picture or something, but I made that tray finally. Like I had a decent amount that I'm like slowly working through, and it's so fun. And even people that aren't gifted in that kind of way. You can follow the instructions, are great. You pretty much get everything you need besides like scissors or something you already have at home. And you can do it with your family, with your friends, by yourself. Highly recommend it. I've been getting Annie's for a while, so I have a playlist if you want to check them out. But yeah, we're going to open this up. I have no idea, like I said, what it is. And again, if you want to see and explore what other craft subscriptions they have tons. You can use the link below. But before we get started, hi, welcome or welcome back. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes so much, and I open them every single day here on our channel at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. So I really hope you consider sticking around and subscribing if you like subscription boxes as much as I do. So let's get started. I feel like it normally doesn't come in a white bag. That's why I was like, maybe it's not the Creative Woman of the Month Club. Ooh, look at that. Okay, it is. Oh my god, wait. What? Sorry, I had to read it. This is the Creative Woman of the Month Club. So every month you get a brand new craft to create. And this is so cool. It's the monogram tote and pouch. So you can see they're here. Let me take it out of the plastic. Oh my god, this is really exciting. Oopsie. I dropped the stuff. Oh, hi, Emmy, my cat's now here. So this is what it will look like. I mean, the letter will change. So I put a K. I think that's so cute. I love the colors. And then this is what the pouch looks like. So monogram tote and pouch. And inside, it's super easy to read. And I love that there's a visual for each step. So it'll tell you helpful hints as well and what you'll need from home. So from home, you'll need a ruler, scissors, paper plate, or something to put your paint on, pencil, a cup of water, and paper towel. So like stuff you generally have at home. And then I think it's great that they do the helpful hints. So, oh, it looks like there's some stitching. I'm so excited. I've never really had to stitch anything, or maybe I just never did. So this is really exciting. So first it tells you instructions on how to do the tote, and then it gets into the little clutch or pouch, they call it. And look at it. It's like every step has an image, and that is so exciting. So they give you the stencil for every single letter, and then you get the paint, some painter's tape, these little sponges, and then there's a paintbrush too. So you can like keep some of this stuff and use it for other crafts too. I've done that. And then we have, oh, the yarn colors are so pretty. So there's pink, green, and blue. Oh my god, I really like these colors, you guys. Oh my god, yes, especially green. And then let's look at the pouch, the zipper. And here is the tote bag. This is so fun. Like literally you could get so much use out of this after you do your craft. Like, that's so fun. Oh, yay. So I will have to keep you guys updated and show you a picture after I complete the craft. Let me know your thoughts down below. And again, I've gotten many crafts from Annie's, or well, crafts, but boxes, so you can check out my playlist if you're interested to get a better feel of what they feature. And definitely make sure to use that 50% off code if you do subscribe. And thank you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Again, if you haven't already considered subscribing, I hope you do so now. And that means I will see you in tomorrow's video. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much. And I will see you tomorrow.